Hi everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. Today I'm back with some homemade In-N-Out burger. This is my first time trying to mimic In-N-Out burger. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know that I love In-N-Out. I think that's one of my favorite burger place. Yes, I like it over Five Guys. I like it over Shake Shack. It's just one of my favorite, and that's one thing that I always get when I go to California or West Coast. I try to make it at home because I don't think I'm gonna go to California anytime soon. I decided to make some at home and see if I can get it like somewhat close. And visual wise, I think I did it pretty well, but the taste wise, I don't know yet. But on the side, instead of making fries, I just had some potato chips. You know how they have the animal style fries? Instead, I made my potato chip animal style fries. Oh, I can't open it. So good. Like, the aftertaste is really good for some reason. And I can't open my drink. Let's dig in. Oh, also, I remember getting my burger with raw onions instead of the caramelized or the grilled onion, and I like that better because it's just more crunchy. So, okay. I think since they are all falling apart, oh no! Should have done this earlier. To put it in a little baggie. To be honest, I feel like I need the actual In-N-Out burger to compare how this tastes like. No, The chips and the sauce is surprisingly really good. They're a pretty good combination. Mm. 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 My meat is pretty medium rare for this one. The other one was more thoroughly cooked, but this one's kind of like medium rare. Okay. Mm. Last time I had In-N-Out Burger was when I went to Lake Tahoe in March. We stayed in Lake Tahoe for about a week. When we landed in Reno, we went to In-N-Out right away. Because there's one like 7 minutes away from the airport. So we went there the first day. And the last day when we were coming back, we went. Chicago or Illinois got Shake Shack not too long ago. Maybe like it's been like a year, maybe 2 to 3 years. But I heard rumors that they will open In-N-Out. But I think it's just rumors. I don't think it's gonna happen. You know, sometimes I wonder if, you know, the reason why we came to Illinois when I moved here from Korea is because my aunt, my dad's older sister, was here first. I don't know why she came here first, like here instead of like LA or New York. She came here first, and that's why my parents decided to move here for education and all, right? But sometimes I think, what if I wasn't in Chicagoland area or like even Illinois? So okay, one thing that I'm gonna say before, because I guess a lot of people don't like it when I say I'm from Chicago, because I actually don't live in Chicago, so I live in other suburbs areas. But when people ask me like, oh, I'm from like Skokie. A lot of people, like, if you're not from Illinois, you don't know where Skokie is. So that's why I say, like, I'm from Chicago, because people understand, like, okay, you're from Illinois, whatever. But I guess some people don't like it when I'm from Chicago, when I actually don't live in, like, Chicago downtown, you know? But you know what? So I'm from Illinois, okay? So what if I wasn't raised in Illinois, but if I was raised in California or New York? I wonder how much of a different person I would be right now. If I was, I mean, people I probably would have never met my fiance right now, or my ring's not on right now, but maybe like the way I think in life will be completely different too, you know? The onion's kicking in. So whenever I upload any like Instagram post or any kind of vlog and of me hanging out with my friends, I always get that question. Do you only have Korean friends, or do you only have Asian friends? And that's another thing. Like, what if I was raised in, you know, California or New York or some other places? Maybe like my group of friends that I have will be completely different. I think, I don't know right now, not right now anymore, but as far as I know, California and New York has higher Korean populations. So maybe like I would be more sucked into the Korean culture even though I'm in America. Because my elementary and high school years and a little bit of college years, I did have more diverse group of friends. But after college, the people that stuck around by me they happened to be Korean. It's not like, oh, you're not Korean, I can't be friends with you. It's not like that. It's just sometimes I connect better. I mean, I do connect better. Ever since I started working in college, side jobs, and after I graduated, I had a couple full-time jobs. I made great friends there, and I kind of wish that we do stay in touch and hang out sometimes. But only thing that we had common, well, the biggest thing that we had in common was that we worked at the same place, and that's why we talked more because we worked at the same place, spent like half of the day together. So I miss them here and there. I connect with them in a different way, which, was great. I think to myself, like, what if I run into them in the streets and I recognize them, but they don't recognize me? Okay, I'm going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I'll see you guys in the next mukbang or vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.